Hello, hello folks, how are we? Another exciting day for me. I went and bought something out of my bucket wish list, and it is a time to present that to you. What is it, you would ask yourself? Well, let me tell you, let me show you. Before I show you, I'll take that out. I'll take that out and then I'll show you. Would you look at that, huh? What do you say? So that's a new purchase. Let me go a little bit closer so you can see a little bit better. Bloody brand new, eh? Oh, I mean, not quite brand new, but it's almost there. So, Marketplace, Facebook Marketplace did it again. I usually spend a lot of time on that thing, searching for the bargains, and this was one of them. This is a practically new machine. The bloke I bought it off, when I asked him why he sells that, he says to me, to be honest, it was beyond my knowledge, sort of a thing, and I hope that it's not going to be the same with me. Look how much more goodies are here. Wait a second. Here we go. Look at that. Oh boy. Diamond. And all these nice bits and bobs. Collets. Imperial collets. Metric collets. Tell you what, it makes me feel good when I have something new and exciting. The bloke was generous enough to give me that stand for it as well. So it's on the scale. So all that is missing is the wheels, and plenty of wheels around here, mate. It's just a matter of fixing something on it, which will happen shortly. How does this operate? I don't have a bloody clue. However, when I bought that one, I didn't have a bloody clue whatsoever. When I bought that one, I didn't have a bloody clue whatsoever. Same with that, and whatever you can see in here, it took some time, it took some practice. Well, this is going to happen again. It's going to take some time for me to learn how to sharpen some of those. Where are the buggered one? I had a box for the buggered one. Here they are. Look. There they are. They are the cooked one. Apparently, it's going to have a bit of a light so we can see what's going on. So this one is either cook. Oh, hang on. Sorry, I'm watching on it, and you can't see bugger all. So it'll take some learning curve to try to learn how to sharpen end mills Not an easy task, but hey, it'll happen. I know it will. It always does. First thing is first, I'm gonna have to redo that stand. Not happy with it. We'll see what we're gonna do with it. But before all that, I need to finish these things. Yeah, that is dressing table for my darling, and a couple shelves for the kitchen. So that needs to be done before I start mucking on that thing. This is just a short one, so you know how my day went today, how happy I am today because of this little machine. Obviously, like I said, I have no bloody clue how that operates. I need to watch at least half a dozen videos about those D-bit grinders, or decal grinders, so they call. This is bloody new. Bloody new. So never mind. It's a thing to look at that LED light. Bloke has said to me that is working. Maybe I should plug it in. Let me put you guys on the stand, and I'll just plug in. He did show me that it's working, but I was so excited when he presented that I almost choke. So let me plug that in. Let me plug it up. First of all, I need to find one good lead. One good lead, where are you? Let's take this apart, because I'm gonna use this thing. I'm gonna start using these things, and like everything else, I will learn how to. It just takes some time, like anything else. Plug here, and then can we go this way? Is that long enough? Yeah, it is. Okay. Alright, moment of truth. That's a light. Hey! Spin effects. Why is one is only light? Maybe that needs to be like that. God knows. One is light, two is running. Mate, and inside is 5C collet. Look at that. It almost seems to me like I know something. Jesus, look at that. I managed that. 5C color. This one is too big. But, oh, was I blocking your view? I think I was. So, too big. I'm not going to do that tonight. I'm too excited to do anything. But anyway, this is it. This is new tool day, guys. With this one, I'm gonna wrap up, And let me have a look. No, that doesn't go like that. That goes like that. Bang. Here we go. Locked in place. Sweet as. Guys, with that one I'm gonna shut the thing up for today, and I will see you on the next one. Next one will probably be finished kitchen elements and finished table. I'll show you how that looked before and after. Yes, that's it. Very happy with the purchase, and I haven't told you how much I paid for it. Well, the new one like that cost 1,500 something bucks. This one has an extra gear, which the bloke said that he paid 200 bucks for it, and it cost me $1,200, which I am very happy that I spent it on that. In saying that, thank you very much for standing with me. Thank you very much for watching, and catch you on the next one. Cheers!